Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to install weights on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. We have 3 weights right here. We can rotate the mouse and put each weight in. Now we need a screwdriver like this. Mine is really long, so I'll try to do it like this. It wasn't mounted, so we can try using our fingers first. Once it's tucked in, we can start screwing it like this. As you can see, we got our first weight in. This one dropped because I tilted it too much, but this weight is in and there's no way it's falling. Let's take care of the rest. Now it's done and every single weight is installed. We can use our mouse like nothing happened, but of course it is much heavier, so keep that in mind. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.